Hello everyone, welcome to Weekly Current Affair Quiz. Let's start today's quiz. First question is, which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the establishment and functions of the Finance Commission? Article 280, Article 268, Article 275 or Article 283? The correct answer is option A, Article 280. Article 280 of the Indian Constitution empowers the President to constitute a finance commission every 5 years or at such intervals as deemed necessary. The Finance Commission is tasked with recommending the distribution of tax proceeds between the central and state governments, among other fiscal matters, to ensure fiscal stability and equity. Next question is, who is responsible for presenting the Union Budget in the Parliament of India? Prime Minister of India, Finance Minister of India, President of India, or Governor of Reserve Bank of India? The correct answer is option B, Finance Minister of India. As per the constitutional provisions, it is the duty of the Finance Minister of India to present the Union Budget in the Parliament every year. The Union Budget outlines the government's revenue and expenditure plans for the upcoming fiscal year and plays a crucial role in shaping the country's economic policies and priorities. Next question is, which area of cooperation has been a significant focus in India-Finland relations in recent years? Defense, renewable energy, agriculture, or space exploration? The correct answer is option B, renewable energy. In recent years, India and Finland have intensified their cooperation in the field of renewable energy. Both countries have recognized the importance of sustainable energy sources and have collaborated on projects related to solar and wind energy, energy efficiency, and clean technology development. This cooperation aims to address energy challenges and promote environmental sustainability. Next question is, among the following sports, which one is not included in the 𝐏𝐤 India Youth Games? Football, badminton, kabaddi, or squash? The correct answer is option D, squash. While sports like football, badminton, and kabaddi are part of the 𝐏𝐤 India Youth Games, squash is not included in the list of disciplines covered by the competition. The 𝐏𝐤 India Youth Games primarily focus on popular and traditional sports played across the country to encourage broad participation and talent development. Next question is, which international treaty aims to conserve and sustainably utilize wetlands, recognizing their ecological significance? Geneva Convention, Ramsar Convention, Kyoto Protocol, or Paris Agreement? The correct answer is option B, Ramsar Convention. The Ramsar Convention, officially known as the Convention on Wetlands of International Importance, is an international treaty signed in 1971 in Ramsar, Iran. Its primary objective is to promote the conservation and wise use of wetlands and their resources to achieve sustainable development globally. Next question is, what term is used to refer to wetlands designated under the Ramsar Convention for their international significance? Critical wetlands, ecological sanctuaries, wetlands of international importance, or protected wetland areas? The correct answer is option C, wetlands of international importance. These are wetland areas designated under the Ramsar Convention due to their significance in terms of biodiversity, ecology, and sustainability. The designation aims to ensure their conservation and sustainable use on a global scale. Next question is, what is the primary objective of the BRICS alliance? Economic cooperation, military alliance, cultural exchange, or environmental protection? The correct answer is option A, economic cooperation. The primary objective of the BRICS alliance is to promote economic cooperation and development among its member countries. BRICS aims to enhance trade, investment, and financial collaboration, as well as to address global economic challenges collectively. Next question is, under the Connect West policy, what major initiative has India pursued to enhance connectivity with Middle Eastern countries and beyond? Bharatmala Project, Sagarmala Project, International North-South Transport Corridor, or Chabahar Port Development Project? The correct answer is option D, Chabahar Port Development Project. This initiative involves the development of the Chabahar port in Iran, which serves as a crucial gateway for India to access Central Asia and Afghanistan by passing Pakistan. The Chabahar Port project aims to enhance connectivity, promote trade, and strengthen India's strategic presence in the region, aligning with the objectives of the Connect West policy. Next question is, how do burrowing frogs obtain their food? By climbing trees and catching insects, by hunting in bodies of water, by digging through soil and feeding on underground invertebrates, or by scavenging on the forest floor. The correct answer is option C, by digging through soil and feeding on underground invertebrates. The burrowing frogs have specialized adaptations for burrowing, allowing them to dig through soil to reach underground invertebrates such as worms, insects, and other small prey. They primarily feed on these organisms, utilizing their unique habitat and feeding strategy for survival. Next question is, who appoints the chairperson and members of the National Commission for Women in India? President of India, Prime Minister of India, Chief Justice of India, or Speaker of the Lok Sabha? The correct answer is option A, President of India. The chairperson and members of the National Commission for Women are appointed by the President of India. The appointments are made based on recommendations from a selection committee consisting of members such as the Prime Minister, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the Minister in charge of the Ministry of Women and Child Development, and others as prescribed by the government. Next question is, which famous dam is located within the boundaries of the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary? Mulla Periyar Dam, Tehri Dam, Sardar Sarovar Dam, or Hirakud Dam? The correct answer is option A, Mulla Periyar Dam. The Mulla Periyar Dam is located within the boundaries of the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala. This dam is a significant hydroelectric project that harnesses the waters of the Periyar River for irrigation and power generation purposes. It is an iconic landmark within the sanctuary and contributes to the ecosystem dynamics of the region. Next question is, Bandipur National Park is part of which larger protected area in India? Western Ghats, Sundarbans, Eastern Ghats, or Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve? The correct answer is option D, Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Bandipur National Park is part of the larger Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, which spans across the states of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. This biosphere reserve is known for its rich biodiversity and unique ecosystems, encompassing diverse habitats such as forests, grasslands, and wetlands, making it an important area for conservation in India. Next question is, the Asian Waterbird Census, or AWC, is an annual event coordinated by which international organization? United Nations Environment Programme, International Union for Conservation of Nature, Wetlands International, or Worldwide Fund for Nature? The correct answer is option C, Wetlands International. The Asian Waterbird Census is an annual event coordinated by Wetlands International, an organization dedicated to the conservation and sustainable use of wetlands worldwide. The AWC aims to monitor the population trends of waterbirds and their habitats across the Asian region through standardized survey methods conducted by volunteers and conservationists. Next question is, El Nino is a climate phenomenon characterized by below average sea surface temperatures in the Pacific Ocean, strong easterly trade winds, above average sea surface temperatures in the Pacific Ocean, or increased rainfall and flooding in the affected regions. The correct answer is option C, above average sea surface temperatures in the Pacific Ocean. El Nino is a climate phenomenon associated with warmer than average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean. This warming of ocean waters disrupts normal weather patterns, leading to various impacts such as changes in rainfall patterns, droughts, and disruptions to fisheries and agriculture in different parts of the world. Next question is, which country developed the Apache attack helicopter? United States, Russia, France, or China? The correct answer is option A, United States. The Apache attack helicopter was developed by the United States, specifically by the Boeing company. It has been widely used by the US Army and has also been exported to numerous other countries around the world for military purposes. Next question is, which organization is responsible for presenting the Grammy Awards and advocating for the music industry? International Federation of the Phonographic Industry, American Society of Composers, Authors and Publishers, Recording Industry Association of America, or Recording Academy? The correct answer is option D, Recording Academy. The Recording Academy, also known as the National Academy of Recording Arts and Sciences, is responsible for presenting the Grammy Awards and advocating for the music industry. It is a prestigious organization that represents music professionals and contributes to the development and promotion of music culture worldwide. Next question is Vyom Mitra, an AI-based robot, is associated with which space agency's human space flight program? European Space Agency, Indian Space Research Organization, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or Russian Federal Space Agency Roscosmos. The correct answer is option B, Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. Vyom Mitra, an AI-based robot, is associated with ISRO's Human Space Flight Program. It is designed to simulate human functions and perform tasks in spacecraft, contributing to research and development efforts for crewed missions by ISRO. Next question is the Nagoya Protocol is an international agreement that aims to ensure the fair and equitable sharing of benefits arising from the utilization of which natural resource? Minerals, forest, biodiversity, or water? The correct answer is option C, biodiversity. The Nagoya Protocol is an international treaty that specifically focuses on the fair and equitable sharing of benefits arising from the utilization of genetic resources and associated traditional knowledge, both of which are aspects of biodiversity. It seeks to promote the conservation and sustainable use of biological diversity while ensuring that the benefits derived from such resources are shared fairly with the countries and communities that provide them. Next question is the National Center for Seismology in India operates under the jurisdiction of which government department? Ministry of Earth Sciences, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Ministry of Science and Technology, or Ministry of Home Affairs? The correct answer is option A, Ministry of Earth Sciences. The National Center for Seismology operates under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Earth Sciences in India. It is responsible for monitoring and studying seismic activity, issuing earthquake alerts, and providing data and information related to earthquakes and seismic hazards in the country. Last question is what is the common name of the butterfly species scientifically known as Parnassius stenocemus? Dusted Apollo, tiger swallowtail, monarch, or painted lady? The correct answer is option A, Dusted Apollo. The Dusted Apollo is the common name of the butterfly species scientifically known as Parnassius stenocemus. So that's all for today. Do share your scores and reviews about the program. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.